Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to another Vlogmas video. Today it's day 3, I'm on my way to work. I hate this lighting. The sun's like obviously over there and it's just about to get worse because I'm about to just drive towards the sun. I just thought I'd start the vlog in the car today because I like to vlog in like 3 specific places always in the house. So I thought I would just start the vlog in the car today. I have a relatively short day at work today. It's good this time of year because you can we can leave early because we have we had reports to do the last couple of weeks and you just kind of like go home and work at them once you've finished all your school jobs. But today I need to clean my classroom out because I'm moving classrooms this year. That's so much better, you guys. I'm finally away from the sun, the glare of the sun. I was just talking about how this afternoon I'm going to stay and clean up my classroom. Or clean out my classroom I should say, because I have been in the same classroom for 3 years now. I haven't moved classrooms, and I'm moving next year or this year, whatever you want to say, however you want to say it. So I need to like get rid of all of the stuff that I don't need, decide what's like mine and what's not mine, and what I need and what I don't need, and what's moving and what's not, and it's like gonna be this whole thing. So I want to try and get it done this week so that when we have like moving day or whatever, I can just like take all my stuff. So I probably won't be home till a little bit later. We might be going out for dinner tonight, which is exciting. We might be going to Peaches. I'm not 100% sure if we are. I also need to get my nails done, so there's a chance that I might not end up cleaning my classroom for that long today if I can get a nail appointment, because the nail place that I've been going to just like semi-locally, it just does like SNS. It's hard to get an appointment there, so if I can get one, I'll just go and I'll do my classroom tomorrow and the next day. So it is the afternoon. I've just parked to go get my nails done. What is that? Oh, it's the light. I was like wondering what the reflection was in the back. It's actually not, it's just the light. I've just arrived at my nail place, managed to get an appointment, thank goodness. It's like been the most bizarre day. Like it was storming before, now it's like sunny. I don't know what's happening. Anyway, I'm about to go get my nails done, so I thought I'd show you my before. These are like just over 3 weeks old, like 3 weeks in a couple days. They look so like chunky and like thick. I don't know, they did not look like that when I first got them done. I think this time I'm going to get them a little bit more pointy, a little bit less rounded, and definitely shorter because they're really long, as you guys can see. They're like crazy long. I'm going to go gold glitter, I'm pretty sure. So anyway, I will show you guys them, but I wanted to like make a point to like show you them up close. I do find that SNS lasts better on my nails than acrylic. I've only lost like 1 nail since I got, like this is my 3rd or 4th set of SNS, and I feel like it wears better on my nails than acrylic. But anyway, I need to go, otherwise I'm going to be late, but I just wanted to update you on the before. What's up guys? Just got back from the nail place. I'm trying to put you in a position where like you can see me but it's not too dark, not too bright I mean, and I can actually see you. I just got home from the nail place. This is what my nails look like. Let me show you this hand. They're what Hazel and I call witchy poo, which is not a poo poo on nails. Like I'm not like ripping out nails, but it's when they're like really long and like pointy. I did ask for this, but they're kind of let me hold them up in the sun so you can kind of see. They're like a little bit thinner than I'm used to. They are pretty, they're well done. This one has like a little bump. I don't know if you can see. Other than that, sorry about the wind. I really like them. Anyway, just am about to water our chilies. Let me show you. I feel like such a weirdo. I'm not a plant person. Yes, I am aware that this one needs a stake, but I don't have any, so maybe I should put something to stop it from falling over. Hold on. Do you guys like my makeshift stand? It's just a knife. Anyway, we have 2 chilies. We have this one, which is a Hungarian hot wax capsicum, but we've got like heaps of little dudes on there. It's not actually capsicum, it's in like capsicum there. Oh no, he fell over. But yeah, got plenty of chilies on this guy. Its name is Helena, so it's actually a girl. And then this is Jerome, the jalapeno, because I say jalapeno as a joke, but I know it's jalapeno, and he's just starting to grow little like mini chilies, if you can see them. But I'm just gonna water him because he's probably thirsty. So is she, so we'll give him a little water. This is my agricultural project. They're looking so good. When we got them, they were so much smaller, obviously, because stuff grows, but Hazel's like good with plants, but I wanted to grow chilies, so here we are. Just thought I'd show you guys my finalized innovation. Spear knife, because we have so many with like loom bands. If you guys are a parent or a teacher, you'll know what these are. I stole these off a necklace that somebody made me, so at least now Helena's not like fallen over completely. But like, look at that. That chili was the first one to grow, and it's like the smallest. Like, these ones are taking over. Like, look at how big he's getting. This one has been here since like we first got her. Got another one growing there. Man, I'm not like into eating this sort of stuff usually. I will try my chilies, but isn't it so cool? I love gardening. Anyway, well, the idea of it, I'm not very good at it, but oh, it's hot. Put on the air conditioning, chill for a bit, and then we're gonna go sort out what we're having for dinner. I am gonna end the vlog here, you guys. I am absolutely pooped. I forgot to vlog what we had for dinner, but we just made toasted sandwiches because we have nothing in the house. So I just had some salami toasted sandwiches, and I don't know whether it was the toasties or whether I'm just tired, but I'm going to, wow, that was really unattractive. It's not good lighting. I'm going to end the vlog, edit it, and then pretty much just go to bed. So hope that you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Again, I always feel like the need to apologize in these vlogs because I don't get out to that much, but I know personally that I just love watching people's just doing nothing when I watch vlogs because it's relatable. So let me know. I've had a couple of comments on my last episode which people have been asking me to do some stuff, like talk through my workout routine and stuff that I've been, or like the plan that I plan to follow, or that I had been following. So I'll do that in another vlog because I think this one's already like reasonably long-ish. So yeah, I'm gonna go. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another Vlogmas video. Bye.